believe I found these noodles at Ralph's. The TikTok girlies definitely influenced me on these noodles, and so did my little sister. I tried these noodles for the first time, and you gotta make it the way that everybody else makes it. I'm about to make it right now, but I'm gonna try a different way to make it, which I'm nervous about because it involves like raw egg and stuff. I put eggs in all my noodles. I feel like you can't eat these type of noodles without an egg. Boiled, sunny side up, runny, something fried. You gotta eat noodles with eggs. But I'm gonna try a different way to make these noodles and see how it tastes. So let's do this. I had to pick up, y'all. I was gonna do a backflip in Ralph's. Let's go to the stove and start our noodles. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is add water to the saucepan. Water bottle. I'm so excited. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and let this water boil a little bit, you know, simmer, boil, and let's go over here and make our sauce. So we're gonna follow this TikTok recipe here. We're gonna do this recipe. Wait, is this the one? Yes, yes. So you put that, you put the sauce, you put the egg, you put a little bit of mayo, whisk it, put a little bit of the noodle water, and you put the noodles in there. Parsley, chili oil. Oh, can't wait. Can't wait. Perfect. Yes. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. Okay, cool. Check out how many calories. 550 calories? You can't be serious. Just in this little packet? Hold on. What's in here? Sodium 1,330. What is this, milligrams? Y'all need to see my face. Y'all need to see my face right now. 550 calories. 1,330 milligrams. What's that? What's mg? Cholesterol. All right now. So if y'all are eating this, be careful. Don't eat no more than one a day before you get a heart attack, because 1,300 milligrams of sodium is insane. What is the daily amount? Or how much sodium should we eat in a day? Okay, adults and teens 14 and older. This is according to Google. Adults and teens 14 and older, the dietary guidelines for Americans recommend no more than 2,300 milligrams per day. However, some recommend that people who want to reduce the risk of chronic disease limit their sodium intake to 1,500. So if you got heart problems or anything like that, this is gonna be your only meal. If you eat this, it's gonna be your only meal. But anyways, now that we got that through, let's go ahead and make our ramen. Hey, at least we know. My water's almost done. Water is almost done. Spicy sauce. It is not that spicy. The thing I like about these noodles is how thick they are. Right there. Noodle. I'm just gonna place it right there. I'm actually gonna bring it back into the saucepan. I'm actually gonna top it with cheese while I do this. This is mozzarella. I know, this is ghetto, this is ghetto. That's pretty much it, guys. So what I'll usually do is I'll put like an egg in the middle and then I'll like, you know, mix it. But this time the egg is in the sauce. So I'm gonna plate and then I'm gonna come back and try it. I forgot that I like to put milk in mine. This is actually heavy cream. So I'm gonna put just a little bit in here. It's definitely gonna be creamy. That's how I like it. Ooh, I am so excited. Let me see if It'll give us a nice focus. So like, y'all see that? This is what you want. Let's go ahead and try this. I don't understand, y'all understand. Oh, the chili oil. Y'all know we have to have a little bit of greens in our food. Even if it don't do nothing, child. There we go. Let me get out the way so y'all can really get into it. Okay. This is what you want. It's worth the 1,300 sodium. It's worth the 1,300 sodium. If you haven't tried the carbonara Buldak, listen, do yourself a favor. I have nothing to say, y'all. That food was so good. Now, I kind of wish I ate it earlier in the day because that had a lot of, you know, stomach inducing ingredients. And I really wasn't worried about it while I was eating it. But after I took the last bite, I'm like, I'm like, I really hope my stomach is good. I mean, it had raw eggs, spicy sauce, which I barely taste. It was not spicy. Cheese and heavy cream. Wow. I don't know. I just want to do a prayer really quick. Lord God. Amen. So let's just pray that works out for me. So I'm just gonna rest a little bit. I just need to sit down. I'm gonna sit down for a little bit. I'm gonna actually take out this SD card and start uploading my video to my laptop so I can edit it this week and tomorrow. So yeah, I'm gonna do that, and then we're gonna get right into our night routine and close this vlog video up. So yeah, y'all.
Witness the greatness. Ready to witness the greatness. I'm ready for this shit. I want my baby to have your eyes. I'm going against my own advice. Should I do New York? I can't decide. Fashion week was more your thing than mine. I can't even lie, I'd rather stay inside. I can't do suit and tie. Can't be in one room with you and stand on different sides. One thing at a time, I have to learn to hide. One thing at a time, emotions running high. I wish you felt alright, just hitting my line all the time, all the time.